Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new here, my name is Monique, and on this channel we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing, it's totally free, and turn on your post notifications so you will be alerted when we upload our next video. So today we're going to be talking about the benefits of Passionflower, which is one of the strongest and most used sedatives in Western herbalism. Keep watching to find out more. So Passionflower is also known as purple passionflower, apricot vine, maypop, and passion vine, among other common names. Some people say that it was given the common name maypop because whenever you step on the fruits, they make a popping sound. Others say that it was given that name because the plant pops up from the ground each May. Who knows? But anyway, its Latin name is Passionflower incarnata, and it's a part of the Passionflower CE plant family, otherwise known as the passion fruit family. There are other species of passionflower, and many of them only grow in tropical countries, but this particular one is cold hardy. It's a trailing vine that climbs by tendrils, and it can grow super fast. It can grow up to 25 feet long. Its leaves are three-lobed with slightly serrated edges. This is what the flower looks like. So it has shades of lavender or purple frills around the middle, with some white yellow, and as you can see, it's quite showy. Its fruits are edible, and they are mostly egg-shaped, but sometimes they can be round. When they are young, they are green and become light green or slightly yellow and crinkly when matured. This is another species of passionflower that is oftentimes confused with Passionflower incarnata, and a lot of times you'll see this one on websites being identified as Passionflower incarnata. This one is commonly referred to as blue passionflower, and scientifically it is known as Passionflower caerulea. It's native to South America, but it is common all over the world, and it has a lot of traditional uses in South America as medicine. With this passionflower, the flowers are the safest parts for use as medicine because the other aerial parts can be somewhat toxic. Studies suggest that passionflower has sedative effects, which are as a result of its ability to increase the levels of a relaxing neurotransmitter that is called GABA. Now, neurotransmitters are basically hormones that travel through the nervous system. So basically GABA slows things down and inhibits excitement. So it regulates your mood and makes you feel more calm and promotes restful sleep. There are some studies that suggest that passionflower has a comparable efficacy to benzodiazepines with fewer side effects. And benzodiazepines are medications that slow down activity in your brain and nervous system. They're mostly used to treat anxiety and related mental health issues. In one study that was done on rats, the findings was that there was a reduction in the time that they took to fall asleep and a significant increase in deep sleep when using passionflower. In another study that was done, the participants had a significant reduction in some menopausal symptoms compared to a control group after taking passionflower for 3 to 6 weeks. These symptoms included headache, depression, insomnia, and anger. So these are the benefits of both blue passionflower and purple passionflower. Passionflower has the ability to relax the nervous system. So, if you have intrusive thoughts, They will help to curb them and reduce your anxiety. Passionflower is also a mild sedative with little side effects. It's a pain reliever. It can regulate heart rhythm, and it can improve ADHD, which is a common mental disorder that affects children. It can also cut down on the intensity of menopausal hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms. As we age as women, our hormones are reduced, and this can cause us to feel super anxious and depressed. So these plants have properties that work similar to an antidepressant. These plants are also good for easing withdrawal symptoms, so they're really good for smokers. For the purple passion flower, the aerial parts of the plant are used to make tea. So that's the flowers, stems, and leaves, or they can be used to make a tincture. And for the blue passion flower, just to play it safe, it's best to use only the flowers, because as I had mentioned before, the leaves and stems have some toxicity. The truth is that the leaves and stems are medicinal too, but because of their toxicity, they need to be prepared in a specific way, so it's best to work with just the flowers. So the flowers can be used to make tea, and both of these teas and the tincture are both great for relaxing afternoon or evening wind down. These plants are often combined with other nervine herbs, which are herbs that help to relax the nervous system, to help the body to resist stress. So for example, plants like chamomile, lemon balm, and valerian root. To make 1 cup of tea with Passiflora incarnata, you just need to steep 1 teaspoon of the dried stems, leaves, and flowers, or 1 tablespoon of the fresh herb in 1 cup of hot water for about 6 to 8 minutes. If you want it stronger, you can steep it for 10 to 15 minutes. After this, you just need to strain it and sweeten it with a little honey if you so desire. If you're using the common passion flower, you would use 1 flower alone to make a cup of tea by adding it to water on a flame. Once the water starts to boil, turn down the flame and allow it to simmer for about half an hour. Strain it and sweeten with honey if you so desire. For the dosage, take the tea about an hour before bedtime and limit yourself to 1 cup within a 24-hour period. Passion flower is available in the form of tea bags, loose leaves, liquid extract, and capsules, which you can get to buy on Amazon. For those who are interested, I have included some links to the latter in the description below, so you can click on them and have a look. Passion fruit is considered generally safe for most people for short-term use. It can cause a different reaction in different people. It's not recommended for pregnant women. It can cause dizziness or drowsiness. It can interact with some medications. And it's recommended for you to speak to your medical doctor before using it. That's it for now, beautiful people. I hope you found the information valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.